So friends, welcome to Sky Crypto channel. This video I will share you less important updates about Pipey coin. Its price prediction this year mega balloon because friends right now you can see this meme coin is 17% pump here. Okay, few days ago we saw massive dump in crypto market due to tariffs news, but after that now market is recovering here, and this meme coin is also recovered 17% here, so this is good. So I will share you its price prediction, and is it possible that this meme coin, this Chinese frog theme meme coin, has potential to be the next listing for all tier 1 cent like exchanges or not? So it will just be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete here. Pi current price it is 7 times $0.39. So you can see friends, last 24 hours 17% pump, last 7 days 26% pump, last 30 days 46% pump here. So last 30 days now its performance is good. Okay, 16.4 million market right now, already hit I think 300 million market 4 months ago, but right now you can see only 16.4 million market because right now mostly meme coins are 90 to 95% down than their all-time highs. So this meme coin is also one of them. 2.4 million trading volume in last 24 hours. So friends, no doubt trading with volume is also good. 420 trillion supply all in circulation. This is very good due to we saw massive crash in Mantra Om coin. That coin has 90% supply holding in its team, so that is why the token was dumped. So if you buy any meme coin or any other crypto, so check out that its total supply is in circulation or not. At least 80 to 90% supply must be in circulation, after that you invest there. So this is good that this meme coin has all supply in circulation, no more token left to come in circulation in future. Ethereum ecosystem frog theme meme coin, you can see friends, the Wise Club Chinese meme, this is good. We are 90% down the install time high. There were 9 months ago 6 times $0.39 and only 94% up the install time low. They were 1 month ago. Okay, last month March, this meme coin hit its all-time low and now 96% pump, and maybe we can see this pump more here. And central exchange listing, you can see friends, MEXC, Get.io, Hotcoin, Bioeconomy has already listed, Arbit has listed, Bitmart has listed, OrangeX has listed, CoinX has listed. So already used central exchange listing for this coin. More than 25 central exchanges has already list this coin, but still there's no Binance Coinbase yet, there's no even Kraken yet, but maybe it's possible that in coming few months, if BTC hit new all-time high and we can see a massive boom in crypto market for meme coins, at that time maybe Binance and Coinbase can list new meme coins, and this coin can be one of them. Friends, before further details about Pipey coin, if you still not join my Telegram channel, link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel where you can get all latest crypto updates here. Okay, just like I told you about AI Dogecoin. After that, that meme coin went 2x, and you can see I also shared you SPA coin that did also 2x in 28 days. And many other cryptos, like many other meme coins updates on my Telegram channel. Okay, here you can see I share you bread coin, and after that bread 44% pump here, and many other crypto updates here. So you can also join my Telegram channel, link in description. And friends, if you like my content and you want to support Sky Crypto channel, then I have provided these all my crypto resources links in description. You have to just join my Telegram channel, click here in pin message, you can get my crypto resources here. Okay, and you can support Sky Crypto channel. Okay, just like copy these addresses and you can support Sky Crypto channel for the next 1000x potential meme coins. On Etherscan, you can check out all further details. You can see friends, Pipecoin has 55,880 holders. Okay, this coin is working on Ethereum chain, as I already show you. 55,800 holders on ERC20 chain. So this is good. On-chain market is also $16.3 million. So this is good, friends. No doubt holders and this market is good. And friends, these are the top 50 holders of this meme coin. You can see Pipe coins. Okay, highest holding is on MEX exchange, that is 9%. Okay, it's 9% supply is on MEX exchange, $1.4 million worth current price. Okay, you can see friends, Get.io wallet fifth and Get.io wallet one is also holding 8 and 3% of supply. Both are centralized exchanges, MEXC and Gate.io. Uniswap is fourth largest holder of this coin, that is 3.4% of supply. Another MEXC exchange wallet holding 2% supply. So this is really amazing, friends. There's no any value issue looking here because mostly supply is on centralized exchanges and on dexes. Okay, Uniswap is Ethereum dex where this 3.4% of supply. So this, no doubt, friends, this is very good. And if you not have MEXC and Gate.io exchange account yet, I provide you both centralized exchanges. Links in description. You can sign up both centralized exchanges where you can complete KYC. KYC is also very simple, and you can buy all newly launched base meme coins. They are before listing on tier one centralized exchanges, just like Pipey Coin. Coin right now listed on both centralized exchanges, but is still not listed on Binance Coinbase, not even on KuCoin. So you can also join MEXC and Gate.io, link in description. So friends, these are the other wallets. You can see LBank and DaVinci course, because in my previous videos I already show you their website also, that DaVinci who suggests about Bitcoin around $1 price is also holding this coin. You can see DaVinci course developer also holding 0.5% of supply, and these are some other wallets they are holding this coin. So no any value issue looking here, because friends, top 10 wallets are mostly centralized exchanges wallets. And now my price prediction about Pipey in this year's super cycle meme coins mega balloon, when friends BTC maybe hit $150,000 or maybe $200,000. At that time we can see a massive boom, a super cycle meme coins mega balloon. At that mega balloon, definitely this meme coin has potential to be the next $1 billion market coin. I know right now market is not good. BTC, Ethereum, all meme coins are down, so it's not looking possible, but friends, it's definitely possible. Then this year super cycle meme coins mega balloon, we can see Pipey coin up to $3 billion here, maybe $3 to $5 billion, because the lots of central exchange listing left for this coin. Okay, just like Binance, Coinbase, Kraken, KuCoin has still not listed this coin. So when crypto market will again recover, when we see massive boom for meme coins, at that time it's possible that Pipey coin can be the next listing for all central exchanges. And in this year's super cycle meme coins mega balloon, it's possible that we can see this meme coin up to 3 to maybe $5 billion here. What's your price prediction about Pipey? Are you holding this coin or not? You can must comment down below. And friends, links in description. You can join MEXC and Gate.io exchange.